Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download ABRP user token for data sync. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To download your ABRP user token for data sync, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the ABRP website at www.abrp.app. Once the page loads, look for the login button in the upper right corner. Click on the login button to access your ABRP account. If you already have an account, enter your credentials and click Sign In. If you don't have an account, create one by clicking on the Sign Up link and filling out the required information. After logging in, you will be directed to your dashboard. Locate the Settings menu, usually represented by a gear icon. Click on the Settings icon to open your account settings. Scroll down until you find the section labeled API Access. In this section, you will see your user token. Click the Copy button next to the user token to copy it to your clipboard. If you need to regenerate the token, look for the Regenerate button and click it. Confirm the regeneration if prompted. Once you have your user token copied, open the app or service where you want to sync your data. Paste the user token into the appropriate field in that app or service. Ensure that you save any changes you make in the app or service. Your ABRP user token is now ready for data sync. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.